Alright, so today we're going to be working on an overhead press plus a calf raise that we're going to throw into it. Now this is very similar to a push press, and we're going to show you the difference here in a minute. Okay, so let's grab onto a kettlebell. With our push press, we're usually getting a little dip in the hips here, dip and press, transitioning the momentum from our hips up into our arms, pressing the weight up into the sky. Now, with the overhead press with calf raise, what we're actually going to do is we are still allowed to use that little dip in our hips here, drive the weight upwards, but we're actually going to press onto our calves, onto the front of our foot and engaging our calves and pausing for a quick moment before we bring the weight back down. So this is what it's going to look like. Little dip in the hips, press from the quads, squeeze in the glutes, keep the core nice and engaged. We want that momentum to transfer all the way through our body here. So weight starting from the chest, dip, press, hold, dip, press, hold, dip, press, hold. And that is our overhead press with our calf raise.